Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Vanguard Group, full guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in Vanguard Group, visit the Vanguard homepage. Create an account by clicking on the Open an Account button. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as an individual brokerage account or a retirement account. Fill out the application form with your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Review and agree to Vanguard's terms and conditions. Submit your application and wait for confirmation, which may take a few minutes to a couple of days. Once your account is set up, log into your account using your email and password. Navigate to the Invest section to explore available investment options. Research various types of funds, such as mutual funds, ETFs, and target date funds. Look for funds based on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Once you find a suitable fund, click on it to see detailed information, including performance history and fees. Decide on the amount you wish to invest in that fund. Add the investment to your cart and proceed to checkout. Choose your funding method, which can be from a bank transfer, wire transfer, or existing assets in your Vanguard account. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Confirm your purchase to finalize the investment. Monitor your investments regularly through your account dashboard. Consider setting up automatic investments to stay consistent with your investment strategy. Stay informed on market trends and Vanguard fund updates to make informed decisions. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on your financial goals and market changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.